Hello everyone, in this week's Blazing Peak we are presenting you Jyoti Labs Limited. Jyoti Labs Limited is a multi-product, multi-brand FMGC company. It is engaged in the manufacturing and production of various household products. They produce various products such as house care, personal care, utensil cares and fabric cares. Now coming to its quarterly performance, it delivered a strong and robust performance in Q2 FY21 as its revenue grew by around 6%, that is to rupees 504.3 crores on the back of strong growth in household products, that is a growth of around 23.6% and growth of 22.6% was registered in home insecticides products. Overall, the company witnessed a strong FMGC growth of around 7.6% on the back of volume growth of 8.5% year on year, and its EBITDA margin also expanded by 70 bips, and its profit grew by around 12.2% on the back of lower finance expenses. The FMGC sector majorly witnessed a strong revival in Q2 FY21 and reached its pre-COVID levels of the supply and distribution channels, and this strong revival was on the back of strong growth in the distribution channels such as general trades and e-commerce. One of the positive news is that the government has made a home insecticides products more regulated, so this will benefit the more regulated players and eliminate the illegal players in this sector, and we can witness a growth in this segment in the coming years. And the company is majorly focusing to penetrate into the rural markets because of there is lower penetration in the rural areas right now. The major strategy for the company is the brand extension and new product launches, which is the core of the company for its growth strategy. So the company is majorly looking to improve its products and also launch new products into the markets, such as its BioFresh product recently launched, gained a good traction in the market and is gaining market share in this product. The management is also of the opinion that the new product launches will contribute around 3 to 5% to its revenue in the coming years. So on the valuation front, with the launch of new products and the company's strategy to penetrate the rural markets, along with the FMGC sector reviving to its pre-COVID levels, and also the focus on the distribution channel by the company will aid the company for the further growth going ahead. So we recommend a buy for the company for the target of around 175. That is all. Thank you.